I got you, baby. You have a bigger light?
You need a small wrench? Is that how you do it?
How in the heck did he get in there? And it's a kitten, so they kids just like our kids. Our kids get in some tough spots and stuff, and we be like, how many of y'all said that to your kids before? I know I have. Now look at you. How you get in there? How you do that? Look at you. Get out. Now get out. We just start coaching them through it.
I got you, baby. That's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay.
All right, little buddy, we trying to help you out. Cats, even kittens are gangsters, huh? Good to know.
I got you, baby.